thank you very much for coming to class. I wanted to create this class so that people who are new to knitting or haven't knit in a really long time can spend some quality time with themselves. Doing something that's slow and joyful and creative and not that expensive and just fun, just that repetitive clicking of the needles and that meditative feeling that you get when you are doing it over and over and over and watching the progress of the item that you're making, the item that you're knitting. So again, I want to say thank you very much, and I hope we can meet again and do some more knitting together. I'm Sandra Clark. Thank you so much for coming to class. Look what you can make with the rectangles. I've got my hat. Everything you learned from this lesson you can do. I've got my cowl. Whoa. My glasses are steaming up. Small scarf, but it's done with one skein. My one skein scarf. Who doesn't like a pair of fingerless mittens? Yep, you can make these too. And thanks, everybody. I think I'll keep this on though. One more thing. You can make a ton of squares. I'm just starting this. And then with a crochet hook or a darning needle, you can sew them together and just keep going and going and going and have a giant blanket. It's so chilly here. I am going to be knitting quickly tonight. Thanks everyone again. Bye.